Hello! With this video, we begin the series on 3 antiepileptic drugs: Lacosamide, Rufinamide, and Perampanel. The series includes an introductory video, this video, videos about retrosynthesis, and about the resulting syntheses. Here is presented the systematic name, CAAS number, and structures expressed in 2 and 3 dimensions for lacosamide, where it stands out as a derivative of the serine amino acid and has a chiral carbon with R configuration. In rufinamide, the presence of the triazole heterocycle and the carboxamide stands out. For perampanel, the presence of 4 rings stands out, 2 of them being heterocycles, 1 pyridinone and 1 pyridine. Lacosamide arises from the discovery that some functionalized amino acids have antiepileptic activity, like the alanin derivative, shown here. So by functionalizing other amino acids like serine, lacosamide was obtained. Rufinamide arises from the structural modifications of the triazole framework, specifically the 1,2,3 triazole, where one of the nitrogens is attached to an alkyl group, which in turn is linked to a substituted phenyl group. So by modifying the substituents, R1 and R2 gave rise to rufinamide. Perampanel represents a new class of drugs for treating epilepsy, glutamate A MPA receptor antagonists. Perampanel has its origins in T-lampanel. Modifications to its structure eventually led to derivatives of 2-pyridone, and additional optimization efforts achieved perampanel. Regarding their mechanisms of action, lacosamide and rufinamide interact with voltage-dependent sodium channels, reducing neuronal hyperexcitability, while perampanel reduces neuronal excitation by being an inhibitor of the AMPA glutamate receptor. In lacosamide, the R configuration is preferred. The benzyl and methyl groups are necessary. The group, N-acetamide, can be replaced by tert-butylamide. In rufinamide, the carboxamide group is necessary. The fluorine atoms are not strictly necessary. In perampanel, the 4 aromatic rings are necessary. Basic functional groups are tolerated in rings B and C, and electron-withdrawing groups, especially in the ortho position of ring A, increase affinity with the receptor. The synthesis of lacosamide was reported by researchers from the University of Houston, patented by Research Corporation Techno, introduced in the United States by Schwartz Biosciences under the brand Vimpat. Rufinamide was patented by Ciba-Geigy and introduced in the United States by Eisai under the brand Vonzel. Perampanel was patented by Eisai and introduced in the United States by Eisai. All 3 drugs are indicated for the treatment of various types of epilepsy. The 3 drugs have good oral absorption. Lacosamide can also be administered intravenously. Here are some physicochemical properties for the 3 drugs. The retrosyntheses and the resulting syntheses will be presented in the following videos. Thank you for your attention.